In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a restaurant menu using Canva, perfect for beginners in 2025. Canva is such an amazing tool because it makes design super simple, even if you've never created a menu before. So if you're ready to make your restaurant stand out with a professional looking menu, let's dive right in. First, open Canva on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar at the top, type restaurant menu. You'll instantly see a wide range of professionally designed menu templates to choose from. There are options for every type of restaurant, from casual cafes to fine dining, pizzerias, burger joints, and even dessert shops. Take your time browsing through the designs and pick one that matches the style and mood of your restaurant. Once you've found a template you love, click on it. You'll see a preview and then a button that says Customize this template. Click that and Canva will open your chosen design in the editor, ready for you to make it your own. Now it's time to personalize your menu. Start by replacing the sample text with your restaurant's dishes and prices. Just click directly on any text box and begin typing. You can easily change the font, color, or size from the toolbar at the top to match your restaurant's branding. Make sure your menu is easy to read. Clean fonts and clear spacing go a long way. As you type in your food names and prices, pay attention to details. Double check spelling, make sure pricing is accurate, and keep the layout balanced. This step might feel small, but it makes a big difference in how professional your menu looks. Next, let's bring some flavor to your design by adding images of your dishes. On the left-hand menu, click on Uploads. Here, you can upload your own food photos directly from your computer or phone. If you don't have your own images yet, you can also explore Canva's built-in photo library. Just search for dishes similar to yours. Once your images are ready, drag and drop them into the design. You can replace any placeholder images or add new ones to highlight your best-selling dishes. High-quality photos are key. They instantly grab attention and make customers hungry before they even order. Now that your menu has both text and visuals, it's time to fine-tune the layout. Make sure everything looks balanced and clean. You can drag elements around, adjust alignment, and play with spacing until everything feels just right. Remember, less is more. A clutter-free design is much easier for customers to read and appreciate. You can also adjust the background color or texture to match your restaurant's vibe. For example, a rustic cafe might look great with a wood texture, while a modern bistro could use a sleek white or black background. If you want to take your menu up a notch, try adding your restaurant logo. Click on Uploads again and drag your logo onto the page. Place it at the top or bottom of your menu so it stands out but doesn't distract from the food items. Once you're completely happy with your design, it's time to download your finished menu. Click on the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose your preferred format, PDF. Print is the best option for high-quality printing, while PNG or JPG works perfectly if you want to share your menu online or on social media. And just like that, you've created a beautiful, customized restaurant menu in Canva. No design experience required. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it so easy to tweak every detail until it's perfect for your restaurant. Before wrapping up, here's one final tip. Always test print your menu before ordering in bulk. Sometimes colors and fonts can look slightly different on paper, so it's worth double checking to make sure everything looks great in real life. That's it for today's tutorial on how to design a restaurant menu in Canva for beginners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Canva design tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of menu you're designing next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.